Right, soccer lovers, can you please assist me here if I'm wrong or what? Here is Zwane. He'll be pushed to the advertising boards by Libito, and then look at Chaine. He's going to run to the referee. I mean to check the referee. He's gonna give the yellow card to Mudiba. He's also gonna give the yellow card to Chaine. You'll see now in a moment. See the confirmation for Mudiba, and then he'll also give it to who? To Chaine, and then I'll also show you the confirmation for China's first yellow card. Here's the confirmation. This is the first yellow card, and look at the time there. Here's the time: 67 minutes 39 seconds. Right? I'll show you another yellow card, second yellow for Chaine. Right. Here is the second incident. Ne? Libusa will take the ball forward and he will give it to Mudiba to Zwane. Look at Zwane. He makes a foul. The ref, look at Chaine. He's running to the referee and he's gonna get a yellow card. He's even pointing, yellow card Chaine. This is the second yellow card. Second yellow card for Chaine. You see? Second yellow card for Chaine. But he was not sent out. He's here. He's even like trying to, to call. Because the referee was Baizela, he never, and this referee, I'm telling you, is gonna be the referee of the season. But this is what he's doing. Look at the time, 87 minutes, right? But then that's PSL. He went, but China went on to play for 90 minutes, and Pirates won the game 2-1.